In this video, I'm going to show you how to exchange bonus casino in one win. Now just subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you to create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code Renzo7. If you use the promo code Renzo7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus and you can use to bet. Now let's continue. So after following the instructions that I just gave you to create a one win account, that's another way that you can use to claim a one win casino bonus. So how do you exchange it? To exchange it means activating it, and the only condition for you to activate it is to deposit money to your one win account. Once you deposited money to your one win account, you come over to your menu and come down to one win games. In one win games, you're going to choose three one win games and play. So you just have to play three one win games. Like for instance, you can play Crash, you can play Lucky Jet, you can play Rocket Queen. Anyone that you choose, play it three times. When you play it three times, your one week bonus is going to be converted to money, which you can then withdraw to your bank account or withdraw wallet. And that's how to exchange bonus casino in one way.